Finding the best stainless steel wok can feel hard when so many pans look the same but cook very differently. The best stainless steel wok gives you even heat, solid durability, and a smooth cooking surface that works well for stir-fry, noodles, and weeknight meals in busy USA kitchens. I've used different wok styles over time, and stainless steel stands out for easy care and long-term value when chosen well. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Willow Everett Stainless Steel Wok Pan. The Willow Everett Stainless Steel Wok Pan feels roomy and well-balanced for daily cooking. 3-ply build helps heat spread evenly, which supports better cooking control. The deep design gives enough room to toss vegetables and noodles without spilling over the sides. It also comes with a domed lid and spatula, which adds convenience for home cooks. The stainless steel body feels durable and stands up well to metal utensils. Scratch-safe body makes it easier to maintain after regular use. The dual handles help when moving the wok from stove to table. Its lighter feel makes it easier to lift than some heavy stainless steel pans. One small downside is that hand washing is still best for keeping the finish looking clean. Overall, it feels practical for both beginner and experienced cooks. Number 4. DOTCLAD D3 Stainless Steel Wok. The DOTCLAD D3 Stainless Steel Wok feels strong and built for serious home cooking. The DOTCLAD D3 Stainless Steel Wok has a deep shape that makes tossing vegetables and noodles feel easy. I noticed the flat bottom sits securely on induction and gas stoves without wobbling. Tri-ply layers help spread heat fast and evenly across the cooking surface. The polished finish gives the wok a clean and classic look. Deep sloped sides make stirring and flipping food feel more natural during high heat cooking. The V handle offers a firm grip and feels balanced in hand. It is oven safe, which helps when finishing dishes with extra heat. One small downside is that hand washing takes more effort than dishwasher-safe pans. Overall, it feels durable and made for long-term use. Number 3. DOTCLAD 12-inch Hybrid Wok Lid. The DOTCLAD 12-inch Hybrid Wok Lid feels like a smart mix of stainless steel strength and non-stick ease. The DOTCLAD 12-inch Hybrid Wok Lid works well for stir-fry, vegetables, and quick weeknight meals. I noticed the hybrid surface helps food release more easily than standard stainless steel pans. Snowflake tack creates a textured cooking surface that needs less oil during use. The stainless steel body feels sturdy and made for long-term cooking. Even heat core supports steady cooking across the bottom and sides. It works on induction, gas, and glass stovetops, which fits many modern kitchens. Cleanup feels simple because food does not cling too much after cooking. One small downside is that the handle can feel slightly warm during longer cooking sessions. Overall, it offers a nice balance between convenience and durability. Number 2. Cuisinart 14-inch Stainless Stir-Fry Pan 726-38H. The Cuisinart 14-inch Stainless Stir-Fry Pan 726-38H feels roomy and reliable for everyday cooking. Even heat base helps reduce hot spots during longer cooking sessions. Cool grip handle stays comfortable during stovetop cooking and adds control. It is dishwasher safe, so cleanup feels simple after busy dinners. Many home cooks may see this as the best stainless steel wok pan for larger portions. One small downside is that the glossy finish can show fingerprints after regular use. Overall, it feels dependable and easy to use in most kitchens. Number 1. LOLYKITCH 13-inch Stainless Steel Wok. The LOLYKITCH 13-inch stainless steel wok feels solid and roomy for daily cooking. It works well for stir-fry, noodles, and family meals without feeling too heavy. The tri-ply build spreads heat evenly, which helps avoid hot spots during cooking. Tri-ply build gives this wok steady heat across the surface. I found the flat bottom useful on glass and induction stoves, which fits many modern USA kitchens. The glass lid lets you check food without lifting it too often. Detachable grip makes oven use easier and helps with storage in smaller cabinets. This wok also has an uncoated stainless steel surface that feels durable over time. It can work as the best stainless steel wok with lid for home cooks who want flexibility. One small downside is that food may stick if the pan is not preheated well. Final verdict. If you want the most balanced choice for daily cooking, the LOLYKITCH 13-inch stainless steel wok stands out as the best overall pick. It offers strong heat control, a roomy design, and a detachable handle that makes storage and oven use easier. The Tri-ply build also helps create even cooking, which is great for stir-fry, noodles, and family meals. Features like Tri-ply construction, detachable handles, and induction support are highlighted by the brand's product details. For a larger cooking surface and simple handling, the Cuisinart 14-inch stainless stir-fry pan 726-38H is a smart choice, especially for bigger portions or home cooks who want a classic stainless steel feel. Check the links in the description for current details and compare the options. Pick the one that matches your cooking style and kitchen needs best.